presented at different spiritual conferences earlier. You may relate to some of these folks. You might have read their books or heard about them in the whole spiritual science and psychology therapies. The 4-day conference. This was the last year's event. Talk about them in a minute. So this is what happens during the conference. So we just looked at the speakers that have spoken at the different years, right? So the fantastic conference is held at the Slovene Pyramid Valley. I'm sure most of you have been there. And the very place buzzes with a lot of energy. A lot of people who went there and actually spent the 2 days or 4 days, whatever it is, they come back, they feel rejuvenated a lot. So the day begins with the music meditation in the morning, 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Brahma Shri Patriji plays the flute and then the accompaniment. Again, early morning musical meditation inside the Mega Pyramid. This is the only event that happens inside the Mega Pyramid. All other events happen outside in different venues. So that's all inside the Mega Pyramid. Just seating on the floor for people who want to, chairs for people who want to kind of sit on the chairs. And during the course of the workshops, right, it's not just a lecture and it's not just only meditation. So there are a lot of other techniques that people, the different speakers talk about, some of the different ways. So that's why we call it a workshop. Everyone is supposed to be involved in the whole sessions. And the most learnings happen from the masters as well as from the different delegates who themselves have gone into different fields. And the beauty about here is the masters are not around, so they're always, masters are not aloof, so they're always around with you, they sit along with you and then witness other sessions, and you can meet them anytime in the valley. So they are there for the whole 4 days. If you need to meet someone individually, you can do that as well. So breakfast, lunch and dinner are part of the conference package, so it's all served. A lot of, I'm sure some of you must have seen the supplement that we sent out with the newspapers, right, with all the dignitaries. So a lot of spiritual masters have visited Pyramid Valley, and these are the global masters. These are again part of the workshops itself. That's a view again, it's a workshop in progress, right? All of them holding their hands around the pyramid. And very interactive. All the sessions are very interactive. In fact, a lot of times we run out of time to have all the questions. So the beauty of it is people have time offline to go interact with the masters. So quickly, let me just talk about the masters present